Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart has dipped earlier today into the orange support zone, the micro support zone that we talked about today. I mean, not much happened today, to be honest. It was a very quiet day. We had a bit of consolidation. We had our support zone, target zone for the wave 4 here on the chart. And the price actually reached it today, and we already see an initial reaction to it. So let's talk about the micro patterns. First of all, should be clear that we are in this ABC structure, not so much maybe for new viewers, but for anybody who knows our videos, followed them. If you've been following for the last few weeks, and you know that we see this as a fourth wave correction. So the A wave bottomed basically on the 20th of March. The B wave is currently unfolding, and the C wave to the downside should then still happen. It is crucial that in any pullback, the market stays above 2,977, and that will be a challenge unless we get a healthy B wave. To be honest, we can calculate which B wave level the price needs to reach, so that we have a really good likelihood that that $2,977 level is holding. And because the reason is it's typically the 100% extension target, and that's at 2,907. Well, it would mean that the B wave would need to reach round about $4,000. Okay, so ideally we get there. Not entirely sure if we can make it to that level, but let's see. Essentially, even if we break 2,977, unless it's a sustained break, we might still continue to follow the impulsive path to the upside. We'll see. For now, I'm watching this B wave, which is currently developing and which started to develop on the 20th of March. A B wave is an ABC structure in itself. And we saw a top in wave A, we saw a pullback in wave B. C wave is likely running right now. And that C wave should target the area between 3,818 and $4,214. Whereas, yeah, I mean, the microstructure suggests we might not get to the higher end. So I think even 4,000 would be a stretch the way the microstructure has developed, but we'll see. I mean, extensions are always possible. What is important, I think, to mention is that I expect one more high. At least one more high, I should say, because we're holding at the moment micro support. Only if we break below micro support, I assume a top is in place in wave B. What I'm watching for at the moment is here a wave 1, a wave 2. That's in wave C of B. Yeah, a C wave is a 5-wave pattern, and the C wave seems to be unfolding as an ending diagonal. So we've got this wave 1 completed, we've got this wave 2 completed, the third wave as well. The fourth wave may be complete, and the fifth wave would be an ABC structure. And I think it points towards 3,818. We'll see how it develops. Obviously, the wave 5 of C would also be an ABC structure. Once we have the A wave in place and the B wave, I can calculate a target for the C wave of wave 5. But yeah, it seems like at least we're going to get to my target area. That would be ideal, and that's the white box. And the next Fibonacci support levels are 3,528, 3,484, and 3,439. This is the key support range here, which really would need to hold in this current pullback. And the fifth wave to the upside should unfold from here. But as you can see, I mean, this fourth wave hasn't even maxed out the support area, so it can still form a larger A, B, C structure, for example. Yeah, that's sort of something to track. But we have a first initial reaction. The support zone worked so far, and the price is already reacting to it and is trying to leave it to the upside. So that means in the next maybe 1 or 2 days, I'm watching for higher prices in wave 5, at least as soon as the fourth wave is completed. Again, that could stretch out a little bit, but I'm watching for higher prices still. At least one more high in wave C of B would be ideal. And from where we are now, a break below 3,439 would be a confirmation of an early top in place in wave B. Okay, so I would have to assume that the B wave topped here, and maybe we just need to revise the subdivisions then. But at the moment, it looks like we're forming a healthy fourth wave and get one more high. And depending on how high we go then in this wave B, we can then calculate a target for the wave C to the downside, which should still happen and push the price into the support area in orange. Could an overall low already be in? Yeah, absolutely. But there's absolutely no evidence for it. Okay, so once we have these three waves complete as an ABC structure, I will offer a support area that could even keep the door open for higher prices if we hold it. Okay, but it's not an expected development. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.